Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prashanth Putran, working as a consultant interventional pain physician at Elevate Pain Clinics, Bangalore. Today we will be talking about musculoskeletal pain. Musculoskeletal pain comprises of the major amount of pain situations which we see in our day-to-day practice, and also can be a major contributor to acute pain and most importantly chronic pain in patients. So within this category of musculoskeletal pain, today we'll be talking about something called as trigger points. So these are basically knots within the muscle. Why do they form? It could be related to their activity, and in the current scenario, because of increased work from home concepts, because of improper posture during work, we see a lot of patients having this neck pain. So basically in the neck, within the muscles of the neck, on a long run, it leads to knots within the muscle. So when these knots within the muscle are triggered by movement, they cause a significant amount of pain. After a brief examination, we can go ahead with something simple such as dry needling of those trigger points, or we can also proceed for injection procedures of those trigger points which are ultrasound guided, wherein a mixture of local anesthetics are injected basically to cut short that vicious painful cycle which is happening within those knots within the muscle, because there will be collection of some inflammatory mediators at these knots, and we inject local anesthetic mixtures to cut that cycle, so that we can go ahead with a fully fledged customized physiotherapy, wherein these muscles which have been in this vicious cycle, after the pain comes down, can undergo a customized physiotherapy to activate these muscles and strengthen them, which ultimately leads to a good pain relief in the patient. So as it is true for any painful condition, similarly for this kind of musculoskeletal pain, the earlier the treatment, the better. So if you are suffering from such painful conditions, kindly come to our clinics, where we can provide you with good pain relief after the procedures, so that you can carry out with your day-to-day life with as pain-free as possible.